Ryder.
Shoot.
Papa has food for you.
Ryder, look. Ryder.
Oh, you're gonna grab it?
He really wants to roll it on.
Okay.
Yeah, he really wants it.
Yeah.
Right here. Bring it right here.
What do you say? What do you think? Yeah, he's eating it. He likes it. Look, he didn't even make a face. Ryder, he's been eating it for a long time.
His
He knows
first
that.
bites of solid food.
Yeah.
Oh, he's opening the mouth.
Open.
You gotta put the hands down there.
Yeah. Okay,
My,
Papa.
my bowl is getting pretty
Oh,
clean.
look, he
Oh,
likes
and
it.
Jordan's eating noodles over there.
Yeah, Jordan likes noodles. Jordan can have something. Very soon you can have the same thing.
He wants to be just like his big brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, he likes it, you see. He made a little bubble with it. Ooh, look. Oh, see.